In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can navigate the Bitunix mobile application. This is one of the top exchanges out there. For now, I use Bitunix to trade futures, trade spot, because they have an amazing bonus system and their reserve is visible. You can check out their reserve to see that they have 1:1 reserve. So they are not playing games. So I love what they are doing, how they are building the platforms, everything. So if say you are not yet a Bitunix member and you want to register with Bitunix, then make sure you go below this video. There's a link where you are gonna join Bitunix to start trading with them. And if you start trading with Bitunix, then you are going to be trading with me as well to take advantage in most of their challenges that they offer here on a weekly, monthly, or daily basis. I can guide you on how to take advantages of those challenges and also how you can be able to make passive income trading on this platform. Now, when you open Bitunix, this is the interface. You're gonna see buy crypto, token splash, campaign, task, easy ecosystem. You can just go to more. You see everything else there, quick access to all the different features that they have here. They have recommended services, suggestion, rewards, referral, campaigns, common reward assets. So you can scroll down, you can also click on the reward section, you see campaigns. This campaign are like you can click on it, you see the different available campaigns. Like for example, this is what is currently going on with Bitunix. So you can literally join this campaign. It started yesterday and it's going to end in the next 24 days. I've already made 18 USDT trading from yesterday. So within 25 days or 24 days, I might make up to $200 just trading on this platform. So you can take advantage of it if say you want to. It's up to you. I don't trade that much, I trade mostly spot, and so if say you want to take advantage of this, then you can also join this challenge. So let's go back. You see they have different tags here. For example, if say you are part of the platform, they have futures volume challenge. They also have 24/week trading check in challenge. So every 24 hours you're gonna come here to grab something, like every week, to grab something from this mystery box. And this one is based on the volume. So when you trade, I've collected a lot of it. You can see here what I've already collected here based on how I trade and all that stuff. If I trade more often, then I would have been getting more reward, from this platform. You can go to see other aspect there, like the VIP. The VIP is just to help you get cheap fees. Right now, I'm currently VIP 2. I am gonna go to the highest VIP, and I wanna do it manually just by trading on the platform. And what you get are cheap fees. You get more rewards. Like the mystery box, you're gonna get more reward from that, and that's awesome if you are trading this platform. If you wanna buy cryptocurrency, you can just come here, you buy crypto, you can do deposit. You can deposit to your account either USDT, BTC, or any other asset that you want to deposit. Just say for example BTC, you're gonna give you the address to deposit your BTC there. So that's how you go about that. Let's go to the next one, which is P2P trading. Right, if you want to get money into your account, you can do P2P trading. You can trade wherever you are. You can buy or sell. You can see the different sellers or different merchants that are available here. You can choose the currency that you want to trade. In this case, I have CFA. You can even choose Euro, USD, JPY. Like there are many currencies here that you can trade here on Bitunix. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, you can go to the academy. They have a lot of resources here, like how to use CoinGlass. For those of you who are trading, I use this CoinGlass a lot, and CoinAng, 34K line pattern that must be master Bitunix futures trading. So they have lots of resources here where you can go and learn. You can also see deposit. I've already talked about that. Withdraw, transfer, convert, tiny swap. If you want to swap smaller quantity of your cryptocurrencies, you can use this one. If you want to trade futures, you can click on this one. If you want to earn, you can click on this one. They have so many different products here. You can earn USDT. You can earn Earth, you can earn BTC, lots of coins here that you can earn. If say you have this coin, and look at the percentage that you can make just by subscribing to this product. They have up to 11%. Like you see this one, flexible, so you can make up to 11% of your USDT if you have so much. Imagine that they are giving you 11% of your USDT if you subscribe to it. That's fantastic reward. No bank gonna give you such reward if say you keep your money with them. They have the referral system here where you can refer anyone to join Bitunix. Like if say you wanna join it right now, I'm gonna refer you and you can get up to 20% fee from what these guys are gonna be trading on the platform. That's fantastic. I have up to 12 friends and 3 are trading currently. So you can be making some fees from them, or when Bitunix take some fees from them, you can make up to 20% from their fees. So that's really awesome if say you do that. Now you can also look at asset records, security, P&L calendar, like the profit you have been making, or P&L analysis. Like if you are trading, you can see your profit calendar and your profit analysis. And yeah, there's lots of stuff here that you can take advantage of. Like for example, your account, you can look at your asset record, security. Then you can scroll up a little bit, trading. You see spot trading, you see futures trading. I recommend you trade either one that you can. They also have BLS. You can do that as well if say you want. But I'm not gonna do that. The first thing I think that you can do if say you come here, just click on deposit. If say you want to get crypto, deposit cryptocurrency. You can either deposit USDT if say you have crypto in other accounts, or you can go straight away to other services that they offer here. For example, you can look at P2P trading, as I mentioned, or third-party provider. Usually people just go to deposit crypto. So let's say, for example, you want to buy cryptocurrency with your debit card, which is the most easiest way to buy, like fastest way. Just go to buy cryptocurrency, choose the third-party provider. Give you like this interface. Select the amount that you want. For example, let's say you want to buy $100 worth of cryptocurrency. You click on buy USDT. Take you to the area where you are going to put your information, like your credit card. You can see here MasterCard or Apple Pay, bank transfer, MoonPay. So you're going to choose whatever one you want to choose here. I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on confirm. It direct me to the third party platform to buy it. So it's going to take me to this platform now where I'm going to buy $100. So this is what I'm going to pay. I'm gonna receive 95.71 USDT, which is not good. I would not recommend this. I thought maybe you're gonna receive about 99. I think that was what I was thinking. So if you're paying and losing $5, I think that's not something you should be doing. I think the best way to go about it, I think the best way to go about this is to do the P2P deposit. For example, just go to P2P, select whosoever is selling here. You can choose to buy, or maybe just deposit money from any other exchange out there. For example, you can send money to your account through Binance or through Bybit, through bank deposit. Then you can now send the cryptocurrency here where you want to trade, right? But then to buy directly here, you're going to be losing $5. I don't think that's something you should be doing, or yeah, I think that's not something you should be doing. That's how you can do deposit, withdrawal. You go deep dive into all the other aspect of Bitunix, futures trading, spot trading. You can look at the market analysis, everything, Ethereum, meme coins, AI coins, lot of stuff going on here with cryptocurrency campaigns that you can easily take advantage of. You can click on the campaigns, to see which one is going on. Currently this one is going on. You can register like now if you're watching this video, or if say by the time you watch this video, this campaign is already ended, you can click on the same campaign to see which one is currently going on. So guys, these are the features that you can find on the Bitunix mobile application. So I think you should check this out. You can really take advantage of Bitunix. They have amazing reward system. I've made so much already from their reward system just by trading. I would say if I've lost money in trading on Bitunix, I've made it back through the reward system. right? It's really fantastic. Go below this video, use the link below this video to get started with Bitunix. If you have any challenges, comment below and I'm gonna do my possible best to respond to you. And also you can join my free Telegram community. The link is found below this video. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.